Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Fast and free shipping. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's go take a look inside this big old box and see what it is. And also check out their other goodies once you click the link down below. Oh boy. Cut there. Cut there. Drop this box down. Oh. Ooh. Look at this. This is LC450 video projector, LCD, 8-man, mini size, lightweight, electronic Keystone connection, 1080p. All the good stuff right there. Alright, let's take a look inside, guys. Then we'll set this up downstairs in the basement and I'll show you how it looks. Oh boy, it's been a long day. This will be a nice one for video games. Use your Fire Stick, your Roku, PS5, Xbox One. That's empty. Oh, sweet. This is different. There we go. Take a look at this. It's like super portable. Comes with a rope type thing. Oh, here's all the. You get one HDMI, one USB, but you can always get the extended USB adapters. Same with the HDMI, and you know, spread it out. Bottom. Yeah, it's super lightweight too. And there's the lens. Here's the goodies. Got the power cord. We got the remote control. Simple to use. We got the audio video, old school. Hook up like Nintendo 64. We got HDMI cord. It's always a good bonus. So you get a nice little starter pack here. And here's a power supply unit. Plug it in with this little guy. In the next minute or so, we're going to be downstairs in the basement. So I got the big screen up. I have a 100-inch screen downstairs, so this should be perfect for it. Give me 1 second, and we'll be doing some YouTube magic. That will be going down. Give this a try. I just gotta untwine these guys. There we go. It's pretty long. Oops, I got a knot. Power supply. It's all good. But just give me 1 second and we'll be downstairs. So there you go. There's a plug. Plug it in the back. Then I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here what it looks like when it's turned on. You got your menu, basic menu, USB, HDMI, AV, text, photo, music. We're going to use the HDMI as soon as I can find the controller. Oh, right here. It is super quiet. It's pretty bright too. There. Gotta move it there. And I got the PlayStation Mini hooked up to it. Gotta turn it on. Sounds good. coming on. Move it. It's gonna take a second to load. Here we go. Oh, that looks nice. Really nice. Like I said, this would be perfect for the NES Mini, Super NES Mini, TurboGrafx Mini. I just gotta adjust the settings and stuff like that, so that'll be easy to do. Castlevania. Sounds really good though. Here we go. It's been a while since I played. That looks really good. Go up closer. Whoops. And you don't need a stand. You can just do it as is. So we're gonna try it, what it looks like down. See, that looks got kind of half off cut. But like I said, I gotta adjust it. So sounds amazing. And you can use the controller to turn the volume down to the left. Great picture quality if I adjust it like that. But like I said, if I use the wall, that looks really good on the wall. Ceiling. Wall again. And with the screen. But like I said, I gotta reposition my stuff. And once I get it perfect set up, I'll be good to go. So you just gotta tweak it around a little bit. Depends on how heavy your setup is. And got a big enough basement, so. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Check them out. 8-Man. Link is gonna be down below. Have a good night. See you soon.